To those who don't know yet, Miss Anwood 56 channel is a channel created to help the poor people in the Philippines. That's why trying my best to earn through Facebook and YouTube, and even selling books, selling plants, what more? Selling a lot of things for me to be able to share to them. That's Anne Wood. And unfortunately, because of doing so, uh, Anne Wood is being attacked. But thanks God, I know God is with me. And my subscribers, my